Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create new file and directory in website using FileZilla. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to access website file using FileZilla and we are going to create file and directory. Now you see host, username, password, and then you see port 21 for FTP and 22 for SFTP. So you can find your FTP access in cPanel and then add hostname, username, password here, and then you see quick connect. So click on it. OK. Now you see retrieving directory listing. So we are in website folder. So we are going to create file and directory. Now right click on it and then you see create directory, create new file. So first click on create directory. So click on it. So you can add name, new, and then click on OK. Now you see creating directory new. Now scroll up. Now you see new. So click on it. And now we are going to create file. Right click on it. And then you see create new file. So again click on it. So you can add file name, index, and then you can add file extension like .php or .html and then OK. Now you see HTML file created. So if you want, you can create PHP file or HTML file. Now we are going to create PHP file. Right click on it, create new file, home.php, and then click on OK. Now file is created. Now you see file type PHP file. Right click on it and then you see view edit. So click on it. So you can add content. Now you see file open. So you can add some data and then click on save or close and then click on save and then file has changed. Yes. Now you see file transfer. So in this way you can create new directory or file in website folder using FileZilla. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.